want full 360 degrees coverage while you drive, the Botslab G980H gives you 4 channels of full HD recording, so nothing on the road or inside gets missed. Let's check it out. Okay, and this is everything that comes inside of the box. This is the Botslab dashcam. The model is the G980H. This is a 4-channel dashcam. Comes with the manual and all the quick guide and everything in here. 2 extra stickers, cleaning cloth, micro SD card of 128 gigs. This cool sticker to put in your car. That's a good idea. Trim tool. And this is the dashcam. The front camera is 3K resolution with a 170-degree angle. It has a screen on the back, USB-C for each side, for each camera for the side, and the power on the top, and the rear camera connection. And left and right camera, 1080p for each camera resolution with a 120-degree angle recording. The rear camera is 1080p resolution too with 150-degree angle recording. 2 extra stickers to put it on the windshield, on the window too. Cigarette lighter connection. This is the power cable with USB-C connection. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, now everything is connected, and let's see how this one works. Okay, for the screen, if you go like this, it's a full screen, and you go back, and you can see all the screens. And you double tap, you can change the view like that. You can change the view. Cool. Let me change it, leave it on the front, all right? And then if you go down, you have some settings, you can turn it on and off, okay? And the volume is there too, okay? Cool. And then if you see that round play button, that's for the videos, click there. And then you can see the videos, all the videos are here, you go and click all, and those are all the videos. You can click on each video, cool. Or you can select the front, the back, left and right, okay? And then the next one, these are the locked videos, and all the locked videos are in there, back. And this one is the parking sensor. So right now we don't have nothing. And now let's see the settings. This first one is to connect to the app. We will do that in a little bit, all right? But the first one is the resolution, 3K for the front camera and 1080p for the rest of all the cameras. Emergency video, right now I have it disabled, but you can put it in low, medium or high, okay? The next one is locked on is on. You can go like this to change it, and then recording duration 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So I have it in 1 minute because it's easier to download. And then the infrared, you can turn it on and off. This one is for the video at night for the interior of the camera, the left and right camera. In car video, you can select only left side, right side, or close, but I have both, left and right. The manual exposure, I have in 0. I'm gonna leave it like that. That's fine. Sound recording, you can turn it on and off in there. The watermark for the logo, GPS or speed, you can turn it on and off in there. Okay, and that's it for this one. Let's go back. And now parking monitor, medium, low or high. I have it in medium, that's good. And then parking video, time lapse or sensitivity mode. That's good. And then the electric vehicle protection, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, close. After the power is off, you can leave it or 10 minutes, 20 minutes or close. I'm gonna leave it in 10 minutes for now. All right, and that's everything for this one. Driving assistance, that's the next one. Fatigue, you can turn it on and off. It will tell you when you drive too many hours, it will tell you maybe to take a rest. That's good. Now system settings, go there. The speaker, the volume, start up sound, you can turn it on and off in there. The one touch mute, you can mute it. On and off, okay. Indicator light, you can turn it on and off. Date and time, you can check and change it in there. Language, English, I have it in English. And then next, rear camera flip, you can flip it. If the camera is upside down, you can flip it in here. The view, trajectory, collection. In the app, it will collect everywhere you go. It will collect it on the app. So I have it off right now. A screen display, auto screen, always on, but you can turn it off if you want. Every 30 seconds to turn off the screen. I have it always on. Okay, next, smart voice. You can say switch the screen and things like that for the smart voice. The voice commands. GPS, that's the GPS information. You can format the SD card, but I don't want to do it right now. And that's if you want to return everything to the factory settings. No. this one about this device. This is the information for this device. All right, so that's everything for the camera. So now let's see how to connect to the app and download the videos. Okay, it's time to see how the app works. Okay, let's open the app. Let's see how it works. Okay, agree. That's not the track. It says register. Man, let me register, okay? Okay, and this is the app. It's super easy to use. The first button is for the live view. If you click on that one, it will give you the live view of the camera. The next one is for all the videos. You have all the videos here. Okay, loop video, and you have any of the video. And then if you want to download any of the video, just click on the video and then download. And then on the album, you see here, in here, you will have all the downloaded videos. Boom. And then the settings, you will have here all the settings. We already saw all the settings on the camera over there, but I don't want to do it again because it's the same thing. All right, so you can change it there. And the trajectory will tell you all the places that you've been driving. So for that, if you don't like that, you can just turn it off here. Trajectory collection on, off. I'm gonna leave it off. I don't want that. Okay, all right, so that's everything for the app. Now let's see the video resolution for the day and night of the camera. Let's do it right now. All right, let's start with the day view for the front camera. The front camera is at 3K resolution, and the view is amazing during the day. So this one, the resolution, you can see the cars, you can see the brightness of the camera. It vibrates a little bit because of my car that is lowered, but on a regular car it's not gonna vibrate like this. But everything is visible, the cars, the license plates, you can see what kind of car it is, so everything is pretty good. So for the day view, the front camera is great. Alright, and now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is at 1080p resolution. So the wide angle for the rear camera is great. You can see the road, everything on the road, you can see it. You can see the cars, what kind of car it is. So it is a 1080p resolution. It is a little bit more blurry than the front camera, but everything is still visible. So for the day, the brightness, the resolution, it is great during the day. So for the day, it is great. And now this is the day view for the driver's side camera, 1080p resolution. So it is great to have this option. With this option, you can see what is happening on the side of the car, and everything is getting recorded. So for the day is great, the resolution is great, the brightness is great. So I like that we have this option in this camera for the driver's side. It is great, I like it. Alright, and this is the day view for the passenger side camera, 1080p resolution also. So it is great to have this option too for the driver's side. So 360 degrees you are recording at the same time. Here, and also a great feature is that you can adjust the view. In this one is a little bit towards my side, the driver's side, but you can move it more if you want to move it. But it is good. You can see the cars, you can see the cars that are driving. Even if you are in an accident, you can record that too. So it is great for the day. It is great for the passenger side camera. Alright, and now this is the night view for the front camera. 3K resolution is the front camera, and this is the night view. And you can see it looks amazing. It has a night vision because everything, it looks super clear. Everything is bright, even that is at night. You can even see the cloud. So that is great. So for the front camera, 3K resolution is amazing, good resolution, and it has the night view. So it is a great option to have the night view for the front camera. So it is great. Okay, and now this is the night view for the rear camera, 1080p resolution. So for the rear, it looks good, but usually rear cameras at night with 1080p resolution, they struggle a little bit at night because of the resolution and the night vision. It looks like it has night vision, but it's not perfect, but it still clear. You can see the cars, you can see what kind of car it is. When it gets closer, it becomes more visible. So for the rear, still
OK. Alright, and this is the night view for the driver side camera 1080p resolution. So it looks pretty good, but this one we're seeing the view without the infrared option. So when it gets darker, it's hard to see what is recording. So I recommend turning on the infrared option. That way you can see everything at night, but the only thing is the view is gonna turn black and white, as you can see here in the video. But it is great. You can see what kind of car, you can see the sides. If something goes on the side, you can see what kind of car. So for the driver side, it is great at night with the infrared option turned on. And now this is the night view for the passenger side camera 1080p resolution also. And this one is without the infrared option. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It looks in color, but when it's dark, it's hard to see on the interior of the car. But when you turn on the infrared option, you can see everything and it's better. But the only thing, the video is gonna turn black and white. So, but in my opinion, it's better to see it like this, because you can see what is happening on the inside and the outside. So for the night view for the passenger side camera, it is great. So after testing it out, I got to say I'm impressed with this dashcam. The video quality is super clear, and having 4 channels means I can actually see everything around the car, which is a huge plus. Setup was pretty simple too, and once it's running, you honestly don't even notice it's there. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.